Today we are gonna change a tire, the Audi E-tron 2021. It's like the Q8 version. So you have this video also good. Let's think you are in an accident. So you need to open this box in front. This is where they put your cables to charging. This is an adapter. Everything is under here, and you have to keep attention. This is the compressor. You have to keep attention to how this works, because you see it has a special head, because in the bottom there is a special seat where you have to put this. So don't use regular one because you damage the bottom of the car. We're gonna show you in a minute. Everything is here, pretty nice, but you have to use this one to lift, not something else. Being a German car, they provide you with a German tool. So look, that's the way you're gonna lift this guy up. Of course now we do it by hand, probably not, but it's pretty easy, straightforward. Now I'm gonna show you where we are gonna have to replace this front tire. So we have to take this tire off and we're gonna change the rubber tire. So what you have to make sure is that cylindrical shape goes inside here. So if you lift with another type of jack, you're gonna damage the car because it's all plastic here, and that's the battery seat. You don't want to touch the battery cover. So the only point where you can lift is here, and you don't really want to do with another type of jack, unless you... Okay, so this is the tool they give you, German engineering, and once you lift it up, you're gonna have to make sure it's gonna go inside. See, that cylindrical shape has to go inside here. You don't want to use anything different because everything else is plastic, and that's the cover of the battery. You don't want to damage the battery. Listen to me, that's the most expensive part of this car, and it can catch on fire. So that's the place where this little guy has to go. So you can see now how it's gonna look like, and from here we can lift the car easily. This is gonna sit exactly inside, and you can lift the tire, no problem. Okay, all these are plastic cups that you have to remove it, and there is a clip I'm gonna show you how to remove it. And the inside is a 17 millimeter. Okay, so those are the beautiful screws that are coming out, stud. Beautiful stuff with the wrench number 17. And let's see how the tire looks like from the inside. Doesn't even have the lock for the studs. Incredible. For a tire like this, I would expect they would put it. Anyway, system, it takes a while, but you see, you can do it with one hand. Well, not really. Almost. Doing it with my left hand, and I'm lifting the car. Of course, if you're on the side of the road, it's more difficult, but almost done. The alarm just went off because if you probably lift the car with the door locked, you know, it's gonna think somebody's trying to steal it. So I set up the alarm. I just turned it off with the keys. Incredible. But anyway, look how beautiful are those huge disc and double pads brakes. Well, for an electric car like this, I go really fast. You may need it. See, this is the alarm I was talking about. So always keep your keys with you. You cannot lift or lower your car for more than a certain angle because it's gonna set the alarm. It is here. It is inflatable. You see that? So this guy you have to inflate. They even give you the pump to do so, and then you can replace it. It's gonna take like half an hour to inflate it, so you better get ready. If you have a situation like that, you're gonna have to have patience. Let me show you how. So that's what it is. See, this one is a Space Master. They make it like that for saving space, but you know, when you inflate it, it's gonna come out from here. Now I'm not gonna inflate it because it takes too long, but basically you just inflate it from here with the pump provided, and then you have this little, I'm gonna show you a little bit. I'm gonna inflate a little bit. With this one you can de-inflate. Let me show you how you have to do it. So you have to get from the front, this is where you have the charger. You have to get the inflator that's provided, and it works connecting it to the car. So you put that in the 12-volt power supply, and you're gonna inflate your tire. Here it says 10 minutes, but it's probably half an hour. So you need to have the car on. And see, the pump is gonna start. Into the tire. It's very simple, but because it's not pumping a lot, it's gonna take a while. It's working. So you have to remove these valves, that is for the inflating it. See, it's gonna start to come out from here. But it's really a process that you just want to do when you are in emergency, in case you want to replace the tire, because it takes such a long time. Unless you have a better inflator, of course, then you can do it much faster. Also because this hose is where it's going to become really hot. It's a very difficult operation, so let me show you if we got some air inside. Super hot. And the car battery is probably gonna die pretty soon. Maybe that not, but leave the car on. If not, it's not gonna charge anything. So you see, you rotate the inside of the shredder valve, and then you can press and make all the air come out till the end. But as I told you, it's gonna be a long process because it's not that, the compressor is not having a lot of CFM, so you just have to loose the shorter valve with this cut, and you make the air come out. So calculate at least half an hour of charging if you have enough battery, and you can make this. Good luck.